getting lost.
This is the train production plant. The brand new little Titipo is doing a test run.
Okay. At the home stretch. Let's go!
Titipo, you should slow down on curves.
Oh yeah.
Good job, Titipo.
How did I do this time, Teo?
Much better than yesterday, except...
I know. I'm supposed to slow down at a curve. It just slipped my mind. But I did everything else right.
You can't keep on forgetting, though.
Does that mean I'm not ready for Choo Choo Town?
Let's try and be a little more patient.
Okay. Yikes!
Howdy-ho, Teo.
Tony, feeling better?
Yeah, I was worried my strength was going. But thanks to you, I feel as strong as ever.
I'm so glad.
Hey, I don't think we've met before.
This is little Titipo. We're doing some practice runs now.
Nice to meet you.
Titipo? Guess I'll see you on the rails soon. Teo, best be on my way.
Wow.
Okay, if something feels wrong, you know where to find me.
Yep.
As Tony leaves, another train arrives.
Having a good morning, Teo?
Hi, Jeannie. What can I help you with?
I got a teeny-weeny scratch.
Well, let's see. Aha. There it is.
Yes, it's really bothering me. I haven't seen him before.
Right. That's because he's a brand new little train. His name's Titipo.
Hello, Titipo. Oh, hello.
Jeannie lives in Choo Choo Town now.
Wow, so cool. It's my dream to live there, too.
And you will, once you're fully ready for duty.
But I think I'm ready now, Teo.
I'm afraid not. Jeannie, let's get you fixed up.
Great.
Titipo, I'll help Jeannie and be right back. Wait here.
Okay.
All aboard. Now, let's go.
Okay.
Left all alone, Titipo starts to feel a little bored.
I wish I could go explore and see Choo Choo Town. I'll go out real quick and come right back.
Titipo is leaving the production plant without Teo's permission.
Yippee! Wow, this feels great!
Hey, kid. I'm on a tight schedule today, so can you move it along?
Sure. He's still behind me.
Jeez Louise, can he go any slower?
Oh, what do I do? I'll go to the left.
As Titipo moves out of the way, the locomotive speeds past him.
Bye, little slowpoke. Later.
Titipo finds himself in a strange neighborhood.
Where am I? I'll ask at that crossing. Hello, can you help me?
Oh.
Where am I now?
Huh? Where are you now?
Come on!
Look, little train, move it. You're blocking the road. Move out of the way so we can... I'm so sorry! I go back? No, let's go a little further. Titipo, titipo.
This is the harbor. Titipo has wandered very far indeed.
Where am I now? Oh. Hey! That's Tony! Tony!
Yikes, you scared me.
I didn't mean to. You look like a train, I know. Sorry.
Well, anyway, what are you doing in here?
I don't know. I'm lost.
This area is restricted to freight trains only. It's dangerous. You should leave.
Leave? Okay. But how do I do that exactly?
Over that way, you'll find a turntable.
Thanks! Think this is the right way? Is this it? Oh, gee whiz! How does this work?
Gee whiz, how does this work?
Oh, who said that?
Whoa, who said that?
Who's out there? Oh?
Up here! Hey, kiddo, if you want to leave, then get on the train turntable.
Get on the turntable? Is this right? Wowee! It worked!
Of course.
Huh?
Told ya, I wouldn't steer you wrong.
Thank you so much. But who are you?
Me? I'm the strongest machine on the harbor. The name's Craney.
Really? Are you sure about that? Isn't Tony stronger?
What? Tony? A mere freight train can't compete with my strength.
A mere freight train? Are you bragging again, Grady?
Oh, Tony! A long time no see.
Still the same chatterbox Craney.
Tony?
Huh? Titipo, how on earth did you get here?
I went out on my own and I got lost.
Oh dear. Let me get my cargo, then I'll take you back.
Sure.
Craney, stop blowing your own horn and start loading my containers, will ya?
Oh, Tony, I was only joking. Okay, back to work I go. Lifting, loading, loading. Craney worked hard and fast.
Wow!
All done. Woohoo! Tony, you are all set.
Wow!
Titipo, are you ready to go back?
Are you sure you can haul all those containers?
Easy peasy. For Tony, that kind of load is no problem. Am I right?
I can't believe you gave me a compliment. Come on, let's go.
Okay!
Bye, friend. You too, kiddo.
Bye! I just kept going and going until I ended up at the harbor.
So that's what happened. Almost there, Titipo.
Yay!
With Tony's help, Titipo arrived safely back at the production plant.
This is where we park. Bye, Titipo.
Thank you, Tony! Let's go back in.
Titipo!
Teo.
Titipo, where have you been all day?
Well, you see, I only meant to take a quick look outside.
You should have asked me. I was so worried.
I'm sorry.
Are you hurt anywhere?
No.
Titipo, can you open your door?
Sure.
There. You're good to go.
I'm good to go? Go where?
To go on official runs. Which means you can finally go to Choo Choo Town.
Really, Teo? Wow! Can I go right now?
It's getting too dark. Let's go tomorrow morning. Now promise, be a good little train and go straight to bed.
Okay! I can't wait for tomorrow to come!
Titipo is finally going to Choo Choo Town. Congratulations, Titipo.